A warm welcome to the Fun Writings channel, where there is an understanding that kids today are the future stewards of our planet. They are the ones who will inherit the earth that we leave behind. That makes it so important to instill in them a love and appreciation for the outdoors, and a sense of responsibility for protecting our environment. By teaching kids about the importance of environmental protection, we are not only ensuring a healthier planet for future generations, but we are also empowering them to make a difference in the world. Kids have the power to change the course of history, to create a greener, more sustainable future for all. We can now imagine a world where every child is passionate about protecting the environment, where they actively work to reduce waste, conserve resources, and protect wildlife. This is the world that we can create if we teach our kids to stay away from electronics more often, so they can become more active as they learn to love and respect the outdoors. So let's encourage more children to spend time outside, to explore nature, and to learn about the world around them. Let's teach them about the importance of reusing, recycling, reducing plastic, decreasing their carbon footprint, and protecting endangered species. Let's empower them to be the change makers of tomorrow, to lead the way towards a greener, more sustainable future for all. Together, we can inspire a generation of environmental advocates, who will work tirelessly to protect our planet for years to come. Let's give our kids the tools they need to use as they plan for a green future. Visit funwritings.com, where it is easy for you to become a part of the team that is providing valuable information about green living for children. Together, we can make a huge difference in the way waste is managed. We can give children hope, even though plastic pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, deforestation, and climate change gets worse each day. We will become the change we need to see by taking small steps towards a green future. You can start by liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting on this video. As you spread the word about the EcoKids book project, you are causing environmental protection awareness to grow. Thank you for watching the video. Your support is appreciated.